this is Samantha here from Recipethis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. This week we're doing something special and we're running through what we've done with a veggie box that we've got from our local greengrocer's Rafters, as well as the butcher's box that we've also picked up. And we were looking at the cabbage. We still had plenty of cabbage left over and noticed that it goes very much like kale chips when cooked in the air fryer. So we decided to use the leftover cabbage from our box and air fry it, and that's what I want to show you how to do today. Before we share this amazing recipe with you, we recommend that you head over to Recipethis.com. At the top of the site is a search bar, and you can search for any of our recipes that are featured on our YouTube channel. So this makes it really easy. So if you see one of our videos and you want step-by-step photos or a free printable recipe card, then that search box is amazing. And then if you scroll down below that, you'll be able to see our categories. And what you can do is, let's say you've got an Instant Pot, you can click on the link just for Instant Pot recipes. The same for the air fryer, slow cooker, soup maker, Thermomix, or whichever recipe you've got. And best of all, I highly recommend you enter your email address and sign up for our weekly newsletter. In our weekly newsletter, we feature all our latest recipes, as long as tips, tricks, popular previous recipes, and so much more. And we just really would like it if you join. And then when you do join, you can reply to any of our newsletters and you'll get direct email response from me or my husband Dominic, and it's just brilliant. You can also look through the archives of our entire site. So let's say you're looking for Christmas ideas, then you can look at December of the previous year or the year before that for some great ideas, search for our categories and do so much more. We've got 1,400 plus kitchen gadget recipes on Recipe This, and I just cannot wait to see you over there and welcome you to the Recipe This family. We still had plenty of cabbage left over and noticed that it goes very much like kale chips when cooked in the air fryer. So we decided to use the leftover cabbage from our box and air fry it, and that's what I want to show you how to do today. So this is the bits of cabbage that we've got left over from our box. We've got the mixing bowl out, oregano, salt and pepper, and some olive oil. So we're keeping it very simple. So if you want to grab your cabbage, and then you want to start trimming it down, and then you can load into the air fryer basket what you have left, and then just give it a good trim as you move it to the basket, the bowl I mean. And then you can roll it up, and then it makes it even easier for trimming. And wow, you get quite a lot here. And then any bits that are a bit past it, you can get rid of. Depends how long you've had your veggie box for. I mean, we got this one on Wednesday last week, because that was our designated delivery day, even though we could have collected it if we'd wanted to. But we're now doing this on the Wednesday of the following week. So I really don't think that it's done badly, really. You know, supermarket veggies, especially from Aldi's, wouldn't last this long. So it's nice to see how well they are doing. So we're nearly done. And then bit more bits here. Yep, we have. Oh, and it just so crispy and it's so lovely. I can't believe how much I love it. I've got a big bit there that I've forgotten to chop first, so just giving that a good slicing. And then that's all the cabbage in the bowl now. So now salt, pepper, oregano, and then last but not least, extra virgin olive oil. About a tablespoon is fine, or you can do slightly less or slightly more, depending on how crispy and oily you like it. And then a really good mix with your hands to get that oregano and salt and pepper everywhere and to get the oil well distributed. And then I'm just going to give my hands a quick wipe. And then once you've done that, open up your air fryer basket. You know, you expect it to be really heavy when it's full of veg, but it's so light, it's cabbage. And then load the cabbage in to your air fryer basket. Spread it all out, and you can see you've got a decent quantity of cabbage there. And then place your cabbage in, and you're looking to start off with 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of just 6 minutes, and then press start. And we've beeped. And wow! Look at that cabbage. Oh, and it's got a wonderful crisp on it, just like kale chips have. You could put it on for longer and it would turn into proper kale chips. Or if you just like it a bit crispy like that, then that is absolutely perfect. Oh, we lost a bit then. And it's just ideal for just serving for dinner. You could have it with some chicken, because we love to have chicken and cabbage together, or whatever your favourite way of serving cabbage is, just perfect. Or it can be your snack as well. It's just brilliant. And of course, oh, and crispy bits are the best bits. So like I say, if you want it really crispy, just put it on for a couple of extra minutes and it's just spot on. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.